Hello guys, review smartphone Xiaomi Redmi 6. Start unpacking. Open box. Device. Look completion. In completion we have quick guide, adapter for charging, micro USB cable and key for SIM slot. And now talk about the phone. Phone made of plastic. On the back side we have double camera and LED, fingerprint scanner and speaker. On the front side 5.5 inch display, front camera, sensors and talk speaker. On the left side slot for first nano SIM card, slot for second nano SIM card and micro SD card for memory. On the right side power key and volume keys, upside headphones jack and speaker and second microphone. On the downside micro USB port and microphone. Okay. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, version Android 8.1.0, version MIUI 8.6, display IPS, resolution and display PPA. GPU PowerVR G8320, CPU MediaTek Helio P22. This is octa-core processor, 4+4 cores. First 4 cores work 1.5 GHz and second 4 cores powerful cores work 2 GHz. RAM memory 3 GB, Intel memory 32 GB. Look results. CPU test results, single core score and multi-core score, and GPU test results. Okay, close this, open onto the benchmark, look onto the score. Onto the score. Device support 10 touches, okay, and look ranking. Top 20 devices, sorry, top 50 devices, and our device compare top 50. Close this and open the mobile game GTA San Andreas. Start game. Game load, works good. We can see this. GTA San Andreas works good. Okay, close GTA San Andreas. And now talk about camera. Main camera, double camera, 12 plus 5 megapixels. And front camera 5 megapixels. And now I'll show you photos on the main camera. That's all. Thanks for watching this video. Bye bye.